Ugh, another missed spot. It's like my Deebot Osmo T8 just doesn't want to clean anymore. Seems like I'm stuck picking up the slack, literally.
That's probably because of the dreaded broken Sidebrush module. It's a common problem for Ecovac's Deebot Osmo T8 owners. And it's super annoying. This happens because the Sidebrush, responsible for sweeping debris into the cleaning path, is constantly in contact with walls and furniture, putting it under a lot of stress. Over time, the bristles wear down, the brush head might crack, or even the motor itself can fail. This means your robot vacuum can't effectively clean corners or edges, leading to dust bunnies taking over. And that's not all. A broken Sidebrush can also cause the robot to get stuck or even damage your furniture. It's frustrating, we know. But at RoboCare, we've got you covered. We specialize in Ecovac's robot vacuums and have extensive experience with the Deebot Osmo T8. Our team of certified technicians has years of experience diagnosing and fixing even the most challenging issues. We utilize advanced diagnostic tools and equipment to identify the root cause of your Sidebrush problem. Whether it's a worn-out brush, a damaged motor, or a faulty connection, we'll find the solution. We use genuine replacement parts and ensure your Deebot is back to its best. And don't worry about the complexity, we'll handle everything, leaving you with a worry-free and fully functional robot vacuum. Ready to see the amazing results? Stay tuned to see how RoboCare can bring your Deebot Osmo T8 back to life. And ta-da! See the difference RoboCare makes. We'll get your Deebot Osmo T8 back to its cleaning best, leaving your floors sparkling clean. At RoboCare, we understand how important it is to have a reliable robot vacuum that keeps your home clean and dust-free. Let us take care of those pesky repairs so you can focus on the things you love. For a convenient and hassle-free repair experience, visit our service center in Kota Damansara or use our reliable courier service to send your robot vacuum from anywhere in Malaysia. Contact RoboCare today.